Let's see how you can easily build an AI agent for your business that can simply respond to comments on Facebook and Instagram, also respond to the messages you receive on the Facebook page and also the Instagram as well, powered by OpenAI. So here I'm in a demo account and we have already connected the Facebook page and also the Instagram as well. And let's imagine we want to build an AI agent for this specific coach called as Alex. So here we have all the information about that particular coach right here, including the services, the frequently asked question, and also the contact information as well. So we are going to use this particular information to build the AI agent on Facebook and Instagram to respond to comments and the DMs as well. So here, let me go to the AI hub over here and create a new agent. So let me name this particular agent as Coach Alex over here. All right, and click continue. So here you have to add all the prompt, including the particular business information. So here, let me just copy this information over here and paste it. That's it. So here we have added all that information, and now the AI will actually use this particular information when someone actually asks any sort of questions. And here in the AI tools, it also by default automatically add the connect user to human AI tool as well. So that means if a user intent is to talk with a human agent, the AI chatbot will automatically transfer those conversations to the agents and post the chatbot as well. You can even add other functions and also even tag specific files so that AI can use that information to respond to the users as well. So let me click save, and here in the AI tools, here you have the option to create different functions and also add files as well. For example, if you create a function, for example request a legal service, it will simply collect all these details from the customer and then act accordingly as well. So for now we are not creating any sort of functions, just the AI agent to respond to the customer's question. So here the AI agent has been created. So now let me use the free template. Go to flows, all free templates. So let me use this particular free template, smart conversational AI with message delays and multiple user inputs. Particular free template, you can actually set up specific delays for the AI to wait and then respond. And also, even if the user send like 3 messages in a row, it's gonna wait, listen to those 3 messages and then only respond. So this is a very powerful free template over there. So let me make a duplicate of this one over here and use this Coach Alex AI agent. All right, and click continue. So let me open this one over here. So here, if you open this one, if you look for the business information, you have to actually update the business information right here. So here we have already created the agent, so we can simply choose generate text agents and choose the agent, which is Coach Alex. Simple. So you can keep other things as it is and click continue and save as well. All right, so now we want to make this particular flow as the default flow so that it will get activated whenever a particular customer send any messages. So go to settings over here and choose the fallback flow as this particular Coach Alex. All right, and save it. We actually done with automating the DMs on Instagram and Facebook, and this can also simply work on all the connected channels as well. So now let's focus on how to respond to the comments on Instagram and Facebook using the same AI agent. For that, I'm going to again use the free template. Go to flows, all free templates, go to comments automation over here, and here we have this particular free template, a comment replies FB and IG. So again, make a duplicate of this one over here, and let me rename this one as this particular Coach AI comment replies. All right, click continue, and let me open this one. So here you have instructions on how to use this one. So here again in the generate text area, use generate text agents over here and simply choose the agent. Simple as that, and click continue and publish. All right, so this can simply work on the Facebook and Instagram as well, because this is actually truly omni-channel. So this can simply work on all these separate channels right there. So you don't need to actually build separate flows over here for Facebook and Instagram. So now we are going to use the marketing tools automations over here, Facebook comments, and create a new one, and let me say FB comments. So track comments on all posts. So this simply work on all the existing posts and reels, and also the future reels and post as well. So we always use this option. And private reply means you can also send them a DM automatically when they comment as well. If you don't want to do that, simply choose none, because we want to actually automate the comment replies only. Public reply to comment. So this is the comment reply. So you have to choose the flow about the comment replies. So here this is the same flow, and reply to all comments. And here you have other options as well. For example, you can like the comment, and you can even delay these comment replies for few minutes as you wish as well. For now, let me choose immediately and click save. So here let me activate this one as well. All right, it's active. So now it can handle the Facebook comments powered by AI. And now let's look at the Instagram comments as well. Go to Instagram comments automation, create new, and let me say IG comments, and you will see the same settings: private reply none, public comment reply. You can choose the same flow, this one. All right, and you have other options as well. Let me click save over here. All right, activate this one. All right, so now we are done with the setup for the automating the DMs on Facebook and Instagram, and also the comment replies as well. So let's test how this actually works. I'm in the Facebook page right here. So let's test the comments automation first. So here, let me see what information we have in this AI agent. Hey hub, let me open this one, and here these are the information. So let me ask some question about, first question, who do you work with? So here let me add the comment reply over here and see how this actually works. So here I added the comment saying who do you work with, and see how this actually respond. So here we already received the response. It says I work with these are the people. My focus is building strength, losing fat, and feeling amazing in your body. Simple as that. So likewise, if you actually post any other comments, it will simply respond as well. So let me see what is your group in the program look like. So just let me go to the Facebook and add a comment. So this can actually work on other post reels as well. Just let's test this one. So let me refresh. So here you receive the response over here, and it says my group program is stronger in an 8-week coaching program, and it simply provide all the details and including the link as well, where they can simply check more details. It actually handle the Facebook comments using the AI. So now let me check the DMs or messages on Facebook page. So let me send a message right here, the same message over here, and see how this actually respond to us. Default in the free template, the responses will delay like 20 seconds. So here we receive the response is stronger. These are the details, and here I just updated this particular 20 seconds to just 1 second, so that actually we can receive the responses faster. So that's the idea over here. So let me say. So here let me send another question asking about do you offer payment plans, and see how this actually responds. So it says yes, I offer payment plans for both. These are the details, simple as that. So now these responses are actually handled by the AI. So if you go to this unified inbox, so let me show that. You can find that particular chat happened right there. So unified inbox, this is from the Facebook Messenger. You see it says bot is active as well. If you send a message from this unified inbox, bot will be paused and the conversation will be transferred to the human folder. Otherwise, if the customer's intent is to talk with the human agent, then it will automatically transfer this conversation to the human folder as well. So let me show that. So here, let me send a message right here saying, hey, I need a refund. Can I talk with an agent? So let me send this message and see how this actually responds. So it says I have connected you with the human agent who will help you with the refund records. They will get back to you as soon as possible. So now if I go to this particular chat, as you can see here, bot active is gone. So you can now track this conversation via the human folder, and from this human folder, and the agent can easily send any sort of messages they like as well. Let me send a random message from this unified inbox over here, and the customer will receive it right there. Simple as that. And after, and the agent can easily transfer this conversation back to the bot as well. So the bot will get activated and it will start responding to users' question right there as well. Simple as that. And that's how it actually works on the Facebook. Let's test the same thing on the Instagram as well. So let me show my phone screen over here and see how this actually works. So here I'm in Instagram. So let me add a comment asking about, do you offer payment plans? So let me add this and let's see how this actually works over here. So here we receive the response as well. Let's see. Yes, I offer payment plans for both group coaching, one-on-one coaching, So now let me open a different post over here and add a comment saying, I love your work and you are doing amazing. Thanks for all your valuable tips. So let me add just a general comment and see how this actually respond to us. So here we receive the response as well. It says, thank you so much. That means a lot to me. I'm here to help you crush in your goals, feel amazing in your body, keep shining. Simple as that. So now let me open one more post or reel over here. So let's try the reel over here and add a comment saying, can you send me the pricing information on your packages? So let me add this comment on this particular reel and see how this actually respond to us. So here we receive the response. It says, sure, the stronger group coaching is this one and the 12-week one-on-one total fit is this one. Simple as that. It simply provide me all the details about their pricing as well. So that's how it actually works for the Instagram comments. So let me check the Instagram DM as well and see how this actually works. So let me send a message over here. Hey, can you send me the pricing information on your packages? So let me send this and see. Here we receive a response with all the pricing details over here. So let me send this and see how this actually respond. So it says, yes, I do both group coaching and this one. So now if you go to the unified inbox, you can check the chats from the Instagram. So this from the Instagram, you can find all these chats over here. And even if you send a message right from this unified inbox, the bot will be posted. So let me send a random message from this unified inbox and see what happens. So it says bot is active. As soon as you send a message, it's gone. Simple. So you can also track that message right within the DMs in the Instagram as well, and from here you can actually take over the chat from the bot as well. So lots of possibilities are right here, and that's a quick video on how you can easily build an AI agent for your business on Facebook page and Instagram. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.